Who was the first president of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. S. Vallabhbhai Patel. D. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is the national animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. D. Peacock. Answer B. Tiger. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? A. 1942. B. 1945. C. 1947. D. 1950. Answer C. 1947. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. The Indus Valley civilization was primarily located in which present-day country? A. India. B. Pakistan. C. Bangladesh. D. Nepal. Answer B. Pakistan. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? A. Shah Jahan. B. Akbar. C. Aurangzeb. D. Bahadur Shah II. Answer D. Bahadur Shah II. What was the main language of the Mughal Empire? A. Hindi. B. Urdu. C. Persian. D. Arabic. Answer C. Persian. Which freedom fighter is known for his slogan, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom"? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Rajguru. D. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Answer B. Subhas Chandra Bose. The famous monument, the Taj Mahal, was built during the rule of which Mughal emperor? A. Jahangir. B. Shah Jahan. C. Akbar. D. Aurangzeb. Answer B. Shah Jahan. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? A. 1942. B. 1930. C. 1947. D. 1920. Answer A. 1942. Which Indian leader is associated with the concept of non-violent resistance? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Where did the first Indian National Congress session take place in 1885? A. Bombay. B. Calcutta. C. Delhi. D. Madras. Answer A. Bombay. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1761. C. 1803. D. 1857. Answer A. 1757. Who was the first woman to become the Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Jayalalitha. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. The Dandi March was led by which prominent leader? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer C. Mahatma Gandhi. Who among the following is known for the role in the formation of the All India Muslim League? A. Allama Iqbal. B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C. Liaquat Ali Khan. D. Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Aryan migration to India is believed to have happened around which time period? A. 1500 BCE. B. 2500 BCE. C. 800 BCE. D. 500 CE. Answer A. 1500 BCE. Which ancient Indian text is known as the Science of Statecraft? A. Manusmriti. B. Arthashastra. C. Vedas. D. Upanishads. Answer B. Arthashastra. Who was the famous Indian ruler who spread Buddhism across India and beyond? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Harsha. D. Samudragupta. Answer A. Ashoka. The Maurya Empire was preceded by which ancient Indian dynasty? A. Gupta. B. Nanda. C. Shunga. D. Satavahana. Answer B. Nanda. The Indian independence movement was influenced significantly by which global movement? A. French Revolution. B. American Revolution. C. Russian Revolution. D. Industrial Revolution. Answer A. French Revolution. Which event is often referred to as the Sepoy Mutiny or First War of Independence? A. Revolt of 1857. B. Khilafat Movement. C. Non-Cooperation Movement. D. Civil Disobedience Movement. Answer A. Revolt of 1857. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? A. C. Rajgopalachari. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. C. Rajgopalachari. The Harappan civilization is associated with which of the following rivers? A. Ganges. B. Yamuna. C. Indus. D. Brahmaputra. Answer C. Indus. Who was the first Indian to go to space? A. Rakesh Sharma. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Sunita Williams. D. Mukesh Sharma. Answer A. Rakesh Sharma. Who among the following was the founder of the Nanda dynasty? A. Mahapadma Nanda. B. Ashoka Nanda. C. Dhanananda. D. None of the above. Answer A. Mahapadma Nanda.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more content.